good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I'm going to wait a moment to introduce you to my guest.
Hi.
This is Ali, A-L-E, who, if you're English, you would call Ale.
I know, it happens. It wouldn't be the first or the last time.
So Ale, my friend here, Ali, we met,
Yes.
first of all, because you went to help Mimi pack.
Yes.
And Mimi said, you have to meet Ale.
Yay.
Because she is magical. And oh my goodness, I didn't even know packing for people, unless you're a film star or something, was a thing. Thank you very much. So Ali came over. I had a trip. I was in London first. Came in. Oh, look, ex-neighbour and the beautiful style edit.
Hi.
Anna, my neighbour, my ex-neighbour.
Yeah.
Where was I going? Oh, so I came back. I landed at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I was taking off at 9 in the morning to go to the Maldives. And I had both my cases packed a week in advance.
Yeah.
Literally came in, dropped them off, picked it up, left.
Yeah, just move the toiletries from one to the other and done.
Yeah.
Easy.
Right. How did it start?
How did it start? Well, I came to Dubai 13 years ago. Initially, I was crew with Emirates. As a lot of us start in Dubai. And after a few years with them, which was amazing, I decided to start my own company because I felt like there was a gap in the market for personal styling, for professional, independent, beautiful women. So this is how I came up with the style edit. And as my clients grew, I saw that there was a need for a packing service, and then it became one of the most popular services I have.
It is a total game changer. But being a stylist, as predominantly your thing, helps with the packing.
Yes.
Because you are, so you would put an outfit on me, or I would put an outfit on, you'd style it, take a picture of me, and that was it, job done.
Yeah, basically. So what I always recommend is every outfit that we're gonna pack, we try it on, we make sure that it works, because a lot of times something that we think is gonna look amazing in our minds, when we put it on, doesn't work. So it's important that we try it on, and then we pack it already together, even with the accessories, with the shoes together. So when you get to your hotel, you don't even need to think, you don't even need to mix and match, everything is sorted for you. So even if you're gonna pack for yourself, don't forget to try your own clothes, pack it all together. Basically, an outfit is a pile. And then your life is easy, and when you're on holidays, you only worry about enjoying yourself.
It is because I got one of the bags out thinking, oh damn, I'm sure there was a belt with this, and sure enough, it was folded inside the pack.
Yeah.
Now, I think these came free with one of my suitcases, and I didn't really use them very much until you showed me. And do you know what? David went away. I saw his suitcase, and
he used them.
These
Oh, we love
all
that.
by himself.
Oh, I'm so proud.
I know. He said these are great.
Yeah, so I always recommend getting packing cubes before we have a session with a client if we're packing. But they're handy because basically they will keep the outfit together, right?
Yes.
And even if you're gonna pack some extras, right? So if you want to include some extra basics like a white top or a black top, or maybe an extra pair of jeans just in case, then you know all your basics, extra items are together in that packing cube. The same for your underwear, the same for your bikinis, right? Everything should be divided into categories and in a little packing cube, so everything is easy to find.
Where do you buy your packing cubes?
Amazon.
Have you got a favorite fabric, nylon or cotton? Does it make a difference?
It doesn't really make a difference. It will depend to each person's budget, of course. So if you can splurge on the cotton ones, they're nicer, but you don't need to if you don't have the need.
Have you seen those ones that have got writing on them? You
Oh,
can get anything written on them. They're so smart.
They are so cute. They're amazing. I love those.
So tempted.
Yeah, so the only thing I recommend is to always check the reviews. If the reviews are high and they're good, then you know that you're buying a good product. But that goes for everything that you buy online, really.
That's yes, absolutely. You're
It's
absolutely right.
no brainer.
Right. What else do we have to say? Toiletries.
Okay.
Medication.
Okay, so toiletries and medication is the thing that I always recommend, to have a little pouch that is just for your suitcase. And it's not like I'm asking you to spend a bomb and get double foundation and double mascara and double blush. No, but you know, like the little basics like scissors, nail clippers, tweezers, a little bit of hair gel, because I use my same hair gel that I use on the hair is the same that I use on my eyebrows. So,
little styling
right?
top tip there.
Multitasking. So I always recommend to have the basics, like a little shampoo bottle, your favorite one, just decant it into a small one. And that is one of the things that takes the longest to pack. So if you just keep it always in your suitcase, ready to go, saving time. And then a little Ziploc bag with medicine, like the very basics, right? Some Strepsils, some aspirin, some ibuprofen, just in case you have like any type of little pain.
Blister plasters.
100%.
Oh, yes.
100%. You don't have to run to the pharmacy. You don't have to look for the concierge. You have it. So it's little things that will make your traveling easier.
Oh, I'm saying all of this stuff and I don't do it. So I'm gonna make sure that I do it. Great.
Yeah.
If you're traveling at short notice, great to be able to just pick up that.
Just have like a little. I leave it in my suitcase, to be honest. I don't even remove it, so it's something that I won't miss.
Yeah. Thing is that in reality, I dive into it to get my. I run out of pills, and I know I've got a stash of pills in there, and I grab it out, and then.
Look, it happens.
It happens.
It happens. It can fail, but let's try not to touch that one, right? And also you need to be mindful of expiration dates, right? So I always recommend to have like a blister. You cut it in half and you only keep a little bit because you don't need a lot. It's just in case of emergencies, basically.
Right. Do you have top tips? Like, is there a core of clothing that you take? Like white t-shirt?
Yeah, 100%. A white t-shirt can never go wrong, because if you are packing my way, basically you are planning an outfit for each occasion, right? So let's say if I'm going 4 days away, I always have 4 outfits for the daytime and 3 outfits for the nighttime, and that's sorted. But what if on the day you don't feel like dressing up? So it's always good to have maybe your favorite pair of jeans, a t-shirt that is very simple, white, that then you can mix and match with whatever other items you have. So maybe a sweater, a blazer, or a linen shirt if you're going to a summer destination. And then it gives you more options, right? It's basic, it goes with everything. So I always recommend to have your favorite jeans and a white t-shirt.
That is a really good tip. It's sort of an extra
just in case
outfit.
Yeah.
Shoes they take up so much space.
I know, they do, yes.
And do you pack your shoes individually?
Yeah, well, it depends on whether they're expensive or if they have a lot of detailing. I do have like cotton shoe bags, and then I separate them accordingly, right? So I always recommend to take, it depends on the weather where you're traveling, but you should always have a pair of comfortable sneakers that you can wear for the city and also for the gym. Multitasking is important when it comes to shoes, right? Because you don't want to overpack. So maybe one pair that can multitask, then flat sandals, for example, if you're going to a summer destination. And again, choose a color that goes with most of your outfits. So think nude or brown or black. And then one pair of high heels that will go with all your outfits, right?
So again, a nude or a black?
Yes, just a neutral.
Yeah.
A neutral doesn't need to be basic. It can be a super elevated pair of strappy sandals that will look good, elongate your legs. So
if you're going away, well, actually, when I went away, I did pack, did I not? 3 pairs of trainers.
Yes, you did.
Yeah,
but the thing
we needed them all, right?
You did, and we didn't have a problem with weight restriction, right? So as long as we're being mindful, like if you have 23 kilos and you're not gonna go shopping, please do use the 23 kilos.
Yeah.
Why are you saving the space? What for? But I always recommend having like maybe 3 kilos empty, just in case you do end up shopping.
Yes.
But maximize the space you have. If you have it, use it. Why not? And the outfits we made we're worth it.
Yes.
We require the extra stickers. We wanted a pop of red. We
did want a pop of red. And we did use it. What about when you get to the destination? I have a steamer.
Yes.
Is that a good purchase these days?
100%. And I don't understand why more people are not jumping on this train. Get a pocket steamer. Get a pocket steamer and leave it in your closet on your everyday life, right? When you're in your home, always in your closet, ready to go, just in case. And then when you're going on holidays, you just pack it. It takes this much space.
Have you got a favorite?
Not really. The one I have is from Brown, and it does the trick. And I think I pay like 120 dirhams, which is around 25 pounds.
From where?
Brown?
What's Brown?
Oh my gosh, I probably...
Braun.
Yes,
Braun.
mispronouncing it.
Braun. From Braun. I didn't even know they made one.
Sorry, it's my Spanish accent.
But I think the capacity of water is really important with that. Because
Yes.
I had one and I got so annoyed because I couldn't even finish one dress.
Okay, so this is something that a lot of people don't know, which is a little stylish trick. A lot of the steamers that you will buy, no matter how small they are, in the box there is an attachment that people don't know what it is, but it basically has like a little straw, and it has a cap. So that is an attachment that you can convert any bottle of water into the recipient for the water for your steamer. Oh yeah. Try it. If you have your steamer at home, go and check the box, and you will have a little thing that goes inside a bottle of water, and then you can use a 1.5 liter bottle of water, 500 ml bottle of water, and you don't even need to pack the water container of your steamer. So it becomes...
I'm very distressed. I'm 100% sure mine does not do that.
I will post it on my stories when I get home. I'll show you what I'm talking about, but it's... Yeah.
That is clever. So that is what you do.
Yeah, that's what I do. I don't even take the container. I just use whatever bottle of water that I find.
Right. Okay. So the next thing, you arrive, you take the stuff out of their
Packing cubes.
Packing cubes.
Yes.
And you hang it up. How do you then keep it all together?
So what I like to do is I hang it as outfits. And then so basically, let's say we have an outfit that is a skirt, a t-shirt, and a blazer. So that will be all in one hanger.
Right.
And then I will keep it together. And I do encourage unpacking when you get to your destination, because you will prevent extra creasing, you will prevent wasting time. And then also, whenever you have maybe half an hour to kill after you had your shower, while you're letting your hair dry a little bit, you can just steam everything at one go. You know, so I'm all about like efficiency and saving time. So if you already unpacked it, chances are way less creases.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I think we've got that sorted.
Yeah.
Anything else? Any questions from anyone about packing? I know what I was thinking actually. I did the back-to-back trips.
Yeah.
What if you're doing a hot and then a hot? Instead of what I did, a rain to a hot.
Okay.
Well, that's trickier, right?
That is trickier because you will have to either make sure that you have all your laundry done while you're away, or, I mean, that's if
no
you don't
one
have...
wants to do that.
Yeah, no one, because it's so expensive in hotels. So ideally you have time when you get to your destination to do the laundry in your own house. But if you don't, you need to be mindful, right, of when you get to your house, having enough clothes to pack for the next one. So maybe don't go all out on the first trip. Do save some of your special dresses or the things that you do want to wear for the next trip, and have it ready in a pile, because your packing cubes will be busy, right? They will be on your current luggage.
Your packing trip.
Yeah.
Good. Yes.
They're so busy.
They're busy.
So just keep it in a pile, maybe like on a chair or on the floor of your room, ready to go. But try to already pack as much as you can, ahead.
And photograph the outfits.
Yes, if possible. That's
Right.
what I always recommend. And then one thing that I see sometimes is an issue is people forgetting to pack basic underwear. Don't forget your nude underwear. You need a couple of nude undies and a couple of nude bras, because that's what goes with most of your outfits, right? And also a strapless option.
And nipple covers.
Yes, big.
Essential.
Yeah, essential, really.
Where, best place for nude underwear?
Oh, there are a few. There are a few. I love Spanx because I like to have that little control. They have one that is comfy everyday underwear. So if you're in the market,
Might have to post those, story those later.
For sure. But
them.
also Intimissimi, the seamless ones, or any brand that has seamless nude skin color. I feel like I always recommend those because something that might ruin an outfit that is otherwise nice is the underwear lines.
Underwear lines, but also not all nudes are equal.
Yeah.
Because I was wearing some nude underwear and I think I must have been wearing white, and Mimi said she could see it because the nude colour was a very grey colour. And she could see it. And I found a really good nude at Aloe Yoga.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's a really good colour.
And
they're not
Lululemon.
cheap, but they're very good.
Lululemon also. I love their underwear. It's
the colour's
so
good,
comfy.
is it?
The color is good. They have a big collection of seamless in different sizes and shapes.
Oh, Lululemon.
Yeah. And then that's my husband. Hi.
Oh, and he knew.
I know.
That's so cute.
So, oh no. And then, yeah, just
Okay, you
don't
keep
forget to
talking,
pack
I'm gonna
it.
watch the
Yeah,
door.
of course. Hey, people, I'm taking over. I'm Caroline. No, I'm kidding. So, yeah, don't forget your underwear. It's very important. Don't forget your bra in a color that matches your skin. Don't forget your nipple covers. These are things that might break or finish your outfit. Oh, how cute. That's so nice.
That was worth answering the door.
Who sent you that?
Look at that.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
What a nice surprise.
That's a very nice surprise.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Coming, girl.
What
Yeah.
are you talking about?
Well, I was just rounding up the whole underwear thing.
Oh, the underwear thing.
Yes, but
okay.
we're finished with that.
Good. All right.
Yeah.
Anything else then?
I feel like we covered the basics, right? So packing your outfits with previously trying everything on.
Yeah.
Packing the underwear, taking a couple of basics just in case anything goes wrong.
Yeah.
Unpacking when you get to your destination. Keeping some basic toiletries and medicine in your bag. And I feel like that's it. But if you guys have any questions.
Okay. Well, if anyone has a question, adds it below. We'll be sharing this live, and you can pop on and answer.
Yeah, for sure.
But it is a game changer. Just try it once and see how it goes. And also, if you try it once, then you know how to do it yourself.
Yeah, look, what I try is always to teach, right? So my clients can become independent. I feel like it's a good value for your money if you learn how to do it yourself, right?
Yes.
And yeah.
Brilliant. Okay. Well, thank you very much, Ali.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
I need to tell you where I'm going next. So we'll have to have a little chat.
Yes, I know.
Thank you all for joining us, and I hope that Ali's top tips have helped.
Yay, I hope so.
Thank you. Bye.